Alright, what's going on YouTube? It's Taylor Prentice, and today I'm here with a video about my first StockX purchase. A lot of you guys are probably familiar with StockX, but it's a company where you buy either shoes or bags or clothing like Supreme and Kith from another seller, and the seller sends it to StockX to get verified for authenticity. And like I said, this was my first purchase. It's the Yeezy 500s, as you can tell by the box. So if you guys saw my summer pickups video, the Yeezy 500s were on there, and I'm super happy. I already did unbox these earlier because I couldn't wait, and I had to get down to my college apartment to shoot the video. But anyways, your StockX purchase will come with the card, kind of explaining stuff about the company and getting them, or them trying to get you to advertise for them. And they also come with some quick wipes for your shoes and stuff. And then you also have the invoice from your purchase. But these Yeezys are insane. I never thought that I would buy Yeezys really, and I definitely didn't think they would be the first shoes that I bought for resale. But I paid $250 for them, so that's really not too much above retail, and I think they're totally worth it. The suede on these is super nice, and the leather is nice, and I think the mesh material gives a nice additive to the silhouette itself. I think the soles are really creative. They kind of remind me of the Adidas Crazy 8s, but the shoes, even though they're not Boost, they're Adiprene, I believe. They're super comfortable still. And I did try these on at a local store in Bloomington, and the size 11s fit me, and I typically wear a 10.5, so I did go ahead and get the size 11s when I ordered them. But yeah, they work really, really well for taking pictures because of the 3M reflective, so if you get a picture with the flash, you can get some really cool shit. You can check out my Instagram, Taylor Prentice, TGOD. I'll have a link in the description probably. But yeah, go check that out, and thank you guys for watching. If you're looking to get something from StockX, definitely do it because it was a really easy process, and it is a lot of steps, but I think it only took about 2 weeks for me to get my product, so I was pretty happy about that. But thank you guys for watching. Please hit like and subscribe, and see you guys next time.
Barbecue and blow in the back of the crib, sitting and counting, smoking the split. This shit's a gift.